Why are Ijo youths trying all they can to annex Ndoki and merge it with their political ethnic group? What is Ohaneze Igbo Youth Council doing? Before our very eyes, the Ijo Youth Council are trying to bribe their way into our coastal Ndoki communities in Abia, Imo, Akwa Ibom, and River States. You see why I say support IIC. Two reasons exist: oil and water. These people, like Dr. Maduka Ogweleka said, would always say that Igbo land is landlocked. But you see them every Eke market, they're trying to annex our Ndoki brothers and force them to be Ijos. The truth remains clear. Ndoki ni Igbo buole. Wa buole. They are one. And if you think you can annex them to have access to their oil, you are dreaming. Carry that money and go and help your Creek communities in Bayelsa suffering from neglect. Imagine the ridiculousness. Go fix your people and lands before trying to annex your ancestors. Now your ancestors, Chineka Unoko. You see, I don't want to condescend to bandy words with the Ijos because on no reach. Enough is enough. I really blame the ikwerres, because if they had stood as a big brother, this nonsense wouldn't have festered. The Igbos are the single majority bloc in River State, occupying half of the local government areas in River State. From Ikwere, Eche to Oba, Ebe Mandoni, Ekpeye, Ndoki down to our Igbos in Opobo, Boni, and Okrika, all understand and speak the dialect of Igbo. They bear Igbo names, and without being to Igbo land, they perfectly understand Igbo. The Ijos already got Bayelsa. Why are you not comfortable with your Bayelsa state? Why? People that are not even up to 5 million in number, minority of the minorities. You see, this is the reason why I like men like Wike. He is holding it down politically for the Igbo groups in River State. In Wike's voice, your lots are minorities upon minorities. You want to forcefully become the 4th largest ethnic group. But it's not by Mago, because population on a no gets. No gets. In fact, Aquacross people, the likes of Anang, Ibibi, Orang, and Efik, who number over 5 million people, are easily visible all over Nigeria than Ijos. Where is your number, Ndejo? Where is your number? How many well-developed cities do you have? None. Zilch. None. I mean none. Yenagua is not an Ijo land. It is owned by the Epiatisa people. Warri is already in crisis because you are dragging the city with the Urobos and the Shekiris. Portharcourt is all Ikwerre Igbo, and no inch of Portharcourt will be ceded to you lots. Manage your Creek and Calabari towns and stop encroaching the waterfront of the ikwerres. Land grabbers. Opobo and Boni are just towns, and without the Igbo element, it would have been creeks today. I said it. The Ijos, can you point us your own well-developed, single-owned city, if not Sheshe and Gombodi? You want to come and drag our Obibo from us? Obibo that is rich in oil and gas? Why are you not content with your own villages? You are dragging Portharcourt. When I want to drag Portharcourt to Ikwerre people. What with Ishekiri and Urobo? The last time you guys tried it with the Akwa Ibom people, those ones dealt with you guys and you guys scampered. The latest one now is Edo. I saw the threats your Asare mates to Benin's. Make them reply on a course, it doesn't concern us. Look at the independent groups like Abua, Engeni, Andoni, and the rest that don't understand Shengba Ijo. How do they understand the Ijo? You have forced them into your political union. We not send on now. That's their choice. You understand? But have you seen Ndoki? You know Ndoki? Charai with Ndoki, or when Ndoki is Herai, Charai knows all. Ndoki is our brothers. Stay in your Bayelsa and stop the interference. I see your bloggers every time trying to insert Igbo into this and that to keep their engagement growing. Without Igbo, all of them on a page go dire. I challenge you Igbo-phobic entities. Leave Igbo Matana. Now there's that page that go be. I just wish our people would just stave you all off of their attention and let on a peme. Go on peme very well. I want to you. They are feeding you guys. Without the engagement we are popping on you guys' page, people cannot even see for ordinary $50 in a month. Who born in a power? Na feeds? Who na get population? Who na be? Zero, nothing. Shit, bronco. Then the king Mamano arise and resist every effort of these Creek folks from annexing our lands. You've got job to do To the Indigenous Igbo Council, led by our brother Chimenum, aka the Tribes, well done. Probably Okrika Igbo, Obina of Igbo Ocha. They want us that to be a job. They want us to be a job. Make una sit up, because I want on Africa, on a city flag, do outside people. You see how they want to submerge them. You see how all their leaders now, Fulani, they don't even get mad to talk. Now, what you just want to do now? When I don't agree, they get, not be wicked, oh. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or you define solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.